Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Versity School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 3, question number 14. We will solve only one question today, okay? Your lecture number is 39. You have no homework today. It's lecture number 39 for the half yearly examination. Let's start, my dear students. Question number 14 is written here of exercise 3. The length of one edge of a cube is 4 meters. Determine the total surface area of the cube. Okay, we need to find out the total surface area. Dear students, to solve this one, we need to know something. Look at the figure. It's a cube. The figure of a cube is like this. And we know that all the surface area of a cube is a square, and all the areas are equal to each other. Okay, and the cube has 6 square, that means 6 surface. Okay, I repeat again, my dear student, it's a cube and every cube has 6 surface, and 6 surface has the square surface area. Okay, and all the squares area are equal to each other. That means for finding out the surface area, total surface area, we need to find out only one square's area. Only one square area. If we find out one square area, then that square area will be multiplied by 6, because a cube has 6 square surface. That's why we will multiply that square area by 6. We will get the total surface area. Okay, and to find out one square, we are given in the question that one edge is 4 meters. Okay, and we know that squares area is what? Square area is side square. One side is given, so side square means 4 square will be our one square area. Okay, so let's do the solution of this question 14. Okay, given that what one edge of a cube is 4 meters. This is given, okay, and we are going to find out the area of one square. Okay, also I know that we no need to write down this one. If you want to write down this one, that a cube has 6 surface and all the surface is a square and all the squares area is equal to each other, then it's okay. But if you don't write this one, it also be okay. Okay, one edge of a cube is 4 meter. So the area of one square of that cube is equal to what? Equal to side square, or you can write down edge square. Okay, what is side here? The side is 4 meter, so 4 meters square. We can write down 4 square, that means 16. 4 square means 4 multiplied with 4. Okay, 4 square meter. SQ means square, M means meters. Okay, so 16 square meters will be our area of only one square. Okay, and we know that the cube has 6 square surface, so we can write down therefore, or we can write down we know that. Okay, write down we know a cube has 6 square surface. Square surface, and all the square surface surface's area will be equal. Now the total surface area will be, we have find out already the surface area of, the surface area of 1 square, and we are going to find out the total surface area. That's why we will multiply this 16 square meter by 6. We will get the total surface area. Okay, will be what? Will be 6 multiply 16 square meters. That's equal to 6 are 36. It will be 6, 3 is in our hand, 6 1 is 6, and 3 makes 9. So 96 square meter will be our total surface area. Okay, so answer will be 96 square meter. But students, I hope you have understood. First of all, what we have done, we have calculated the area of only 1 square. Okay, 1 square area is what? 1 square area is 16 square meter, and we know that the cube, every cube is equal. Every cube has 6 equal surface of squares. That's why we will multiply this square area by 6. We will get the total surface area. Okay, I hope dear students you have understood. And today you have no homework, but my dear students, keep practicing more and more at home. Your assignment is going on, and I think we will take your exam inshallah in a very short time. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.